Good day to you, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to another video. This is JK Engineering and Architecture, where I discuss engineering, construction, as well as architectural related topics. So, in today's video, I am going to discuss with you on what you can actually build on your land. And the reason why I've come to the decision to do a video such of this is that I have been approached in recent times or over a period of time, of people who want to build other than a single family home on their land. And I have to pause them and give them some education as to how to go about that. Now, in furtherance to this discussion, now if you have purchased a piece of land, let's say you purchase a piece of land, right? And you're not given the title right away, or the title is going to take some amount of time before you can get access to it. Now, you as the purchaser, if you want to do a building before the actual title comes through, let's say for argument's sake, you have the sales agreement, then it is incumbent on you to request a copy of the initial title, the actual title, to see what is the restrictive covenant of that land. And then when you have done that, then you can now make a better decision on what to build on that land. Now, if you have a sales agreement, I think you can get the volume and folio number. And what you can do, you can go to the Jamaica Eland website, put in the volume and the folio number, and you can purchase the title for that land. And I don't think it costs that much. It's very minimal cost. It doesn't cost that significant. So when you purchase that title, you read the title and you read carefully the restrictive covenant of the land. So if your intention is to build a multifamily building or an apartment complex, if the title restrictive covenant is of such that it stipulates that no more than one single family dwelling house can be built on that land, then you can't build a multifamily building, and you can't as well build a apartment complex. If you want to do something of that nature, to build a building of that nature, you have to get the restrictive covenant amended or modified to suit what you want to build. So you can make an application to the Register of Titles. The last time I checked, I think it was somewhere downtown Kingston on Nova Street. You can check to verify if that is still the case. I have not been in Jamaica for some time now, so I can't say definitively that is the case, or the the Registrar of Titles office is still at that same location. But I know that one's supposed to be downtown Kingston. So you can make an application to them and ask them to modify the restrictive covenant or remove the restrictive covenant, or just to amend it to suit what you want to build on that land. And that will save you time, and and you will be better educated as to what you can build on your land, instead of wasting time so that you want to build an apartment when the covenant of land does not allow you to do that. And the draft person or the architect or the engineer, those are experienced professionals, and they will also guide you. For me, whenever time I'm doing a set of working drawings, I always, the first thing to request of the owner the title of the land, because I have to see what is written in terms of the covenant on that said land to know how to design and what type of building to design. So I just don't go and design something, and then when I turn up at the parish council, the title does not stipulate that that structure can be built. Some people, or some clients, they want even as much as two structures to be built on that land. And from my information is that you can't have two structures on the said piece of land unless that land is subdivided. And if my memory serves me correct, if the that you have is quarter acre or less, that land cannot be subdivided. In the case of a developer who is going to do multiple building, they can have the land subdivided, and obviously it's going to be more than quarter acre because they have to put in central sewage system and wastewater disposal. So that is a piece of information that I wanted was to bring to you. If you have any intention to construct a building, you as the owner, it is incumbent on you to go through your title and see what the title allows you to build. Don't just say, me, I want an apartment complex, I want a multi-family building, and then and you have that in your mind, and you're dead set on building that, and you start to make plan and preparation around that, only to when you're ready title you can't do that. So you have to apply at the registered title to get the restrictive covenant amended before you can go ahead. Typically, if you're going to build a single family home, it's not a big issue. That's the norm. What I mean, you're not going to encounter much problems with that. But as soon as you want to deviate from that to multifamily building, an apartment complex, you have to ensure that the title stipulates that you can do that. So that is a bit of information that I wanted was to bring to your attention. If this information is worthwhile to you, let me know in the comment section. Remember to hit the like button and share the video, and I will catch you in another video upload. Enough respect and thank you.